What's going on, guys? Freddy back with the little giveaway. Yeah, that's a GoPro Hero 8, and that's gonna be my little giveaway for the next 2 weeks. The giveaway is gonna start today, Monday. So if you already ordered today, Monday, and you're watching this video, then you already have it in. It's gonna end Sunday, March 22nd. That's gonna be the last day for you guys to enter, and that day at 7 we're gonna do a live drawing for you guys, so one of you guys could take this little GoPro. This is the newest one that just came out. A lot of YouTubers use this one for their YouTube videos or whatever. So for this giveaway, it's gonna be every $5 you spend, you're gonna get an entry. Make sure you join this giveaway. Giveaway started today, Monday, so if you already shopped today, because I already know I got some orders in today, you already got some entries in.
That thing's clean.
More than one giveaway. Todo negro. ¿Qué onda, vatos? Check it out, check it out. What you think?
Damn, this shit is fresh.
Fresh. ¿Qué onda, Chuy?
What up, man?
Check out the interior.
So fresh is so clean.
Fresh, so clean.
Looks good, man.
Somebody's gonna be happy today.
Yeah.
Somebody's probably gonna cry.
That's gonna be Freddy.
Yeah, I'm gonna cry. ¿Cómo ves, vato? ¿Te quedó bien o no?
You got me an OBS.
Damn it, boy.
That thing's clean, dude.
¿Qué le hicieron hoy?
El seat, los seat belts,
Oh, sí, sí.
los visors, los de estos, la carpet. Had to give it a little wash real quick.
Hey, whoever wins it, how much I want for it?
We're gonna do the live giveaway here at HID Kids, and we're gonna pick the winner here. We're gonna invite everybody to come out here and so they can see like the giveaway live and stuff. You already know, right, Chuy?
Yeah, we're gonna be here, guys.
Everybody's gonna be here all day. What you think about what you think of the interior?
Perfect, bro.
Eh? Mint condition. He's like, hey, can I open it? I'm like, maybe. I mean, you might be the new winner, the owner, so.
I'm gonna take it home.
Y acá tenemos snacking around, setting all that goodness, tacos and stuff. Fajita tacos, quesadillas. Tiene la carnita. Ah, ¿es el pastor? ¿Y esa?
Pollo. Pollo marinado.
Ay, güey, está caliente. So we got a half and half one. Damn, boy, that's gonna be a good one. ¿Con eso tengo una para todo el día?
You would think.
And I already ate some nachos too. A ver. Vamos a ver cómo están los de snacking around. Oh wow. Delicious. Snacking around. Go ahead, Dan!
Uh-oh. Those cars are auto, dude. I think the transmission almost said bye-bye.
Transmission went out.
Ese sí quema acá.
Y'all gonna be here to witness the giveaway winner. So we're gonna do more than one giveaway. We're gonna go pick up some stereos right now so we can give out to the people. We're gonna do this truck first and then 3 stereos.
Alright, let's go, man.
See guys, sorry. I mean the camera and we got the live.
Yeah, we got 2. It's 2 cameras, guys.
It's reconnecting. It ain't 7 yet. So. Nobody tripping. We don't want to.
Okay. Hey man, ¿qué pasó, man?
Hey Ham, pásame unos stereos, güey.
Where we at?
We're in here. We're getting the wheel to work.
Ahí está. And if the wheel doesn't work, then we're gonna do the other one, right?
Oh.
So we're gonna give away 3 stereos.
Okay. No Apple CarPlay, no Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth.
No, say, give me the best ones we got. Top of the line.
There you go, no man. There you go. Ooh.
God damn. Damn it, boy. I guess give me 2 more.
Which one? You want a Kenwood or JVC or
¿Otros como ese no tienes?
otros? Yeah.
Alright.
What you think? Alright, there you go.
And then 1 more. So it's gonna be four giveaways, guys. It's gonna be the truck. Let me see you recording. It's gonna be the truck and 3 stereos.
Algo diferente.
Un Kenwood, güey.
Kenwood.
Kenwood.
You want
Sir.
6-inch or 7-inch screen?
Guys, look, we got all the list.
Oh.
If you bought tickets to the
Dang.
show or at HID Kids, we got all the
Check that out. What you mean?
Look, all these are the names that they sold here and at the show. And Alex took care of putting all the names in there.
See, so all the names are.
There's all the names, guys. All the names. You can't go through them all because it's a lot. A ver, ¿esos son mis stereos?
It's 3 cereals, man. You got it?
We got 6 minutes. Are you guys ready to witness some stuff going down? Show him, Alex. You guys see that?
The names.
Ahí están todos los names, guys.
El puro Project Tour.
Ahí está. Alright, so at 7 we got 5 minutes. So we're gonna do the truck. That's gonna be the first one. And then we're gonna do these 3 stereos. So, let's see who wins it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Everybody's here witnessing.
Who's gonna be the lucky winner?
Who's gonna be the lucky winner?
My cousin.
Hey.
Oh, Chewy's live too. Damn it, boy. Chewy.
Everybody gotta go live.
Everybody gotta go live. Ahí están todos los names. What you said, Chewy?
We're going live, so y'all don't say that we're scamming or we're sending defaults on the cameras.
All the names.
Everybody's here witnessing. That's how you wanted me to do it, right? Que la gane el que la merece. Ahí está, sí. Ahí está. What up, Freddy? Puro pinche tacuache. Listo para recibir la troca, compa. Puro tacuacheando. Puro Edgar's.
That's a VA here, right?
4.6.
Except for Omar.
What? Everyone here has a VA, you got the V6.
Shit, most of it. That truck can smoke most of y'all, so.
Let's go get on the giveaway. ¿Cuánto falta? Countdown, do the countdown. Cuidado porque se cae la computadora y luego nadie gana.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ahí están los names.
Goddamn all names.
Donald Trump.
Kevin Quintanilla.
Kevin.
Va a ser de.
Alright, just write it down for now.
Kevin Quintanilla.
Alright, now for a stereo.
Oh wait, my name's Kevin. No, I'm just kidding.
Alright, now for a stereo. Cesar Romero. Alright, so that's for 1 stereo. Alright, the next guy. Mario Arredondo. That was the 3rd one. Se agüitó.
Ya se acabó la vaina. Todos venimos para ganar y nadie ganó.
Ronald Reyes.
¿Nadie ganó de aquí? ¡No, hombre! ¡Vámonos! Kevin ya está el puro coraje.
I thought it said Ronald Reagan. I was like,
That's
what?
it, guys. What was the first name, Alex?
The first name was
Kevin Quintanilla.
Quintanilla.
Kevin Quintanilla. You are the winner of the OBS.
Take care of that truck.
Take care of that truck. Hey, I tell him how badass that truck is.
I seen it in video, but in person.
Not my truck no more. That's somebody else's truck. Vamos a prenderla para el camarada que se la ganó.
There you go. There you go, Mr. Kevin.
Mr. Kevin, your truck. Ahí está. Thanks guys for coming. Ahorita como quiera aquí se va a hacer el desmadre con los burnouts. No se agüiten, aquí como quiera. A ver.
Just because the cops are here don't mean we can't do burnout.
Come chill! Aquí andamos con el Lambo del camarada. ¿Qué onda? ¿No? ¿Casi llegan? No. What's up, man? ¿Qué andamos? ¿Qué onda, for one. Yeah, guys, that's it. Winner from here from Texas. We need to try to call him right now. A ver qué nos dice.
Alright, we on FaceTime? We out here.
We out here. ¿Qué onda, Kia? Míralo.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, you want the truck, way?
I know, I'm on my way. I'm like 10 minutes.
Where? Now he wants to come. Hey, why did you show up in the first place?
Give it to someone else.
Vato. Sorry, but we're gonna have to give it away to somebody else since you weren't here. Nah, get the credit. Nah, pull up, way if you're close. How far are you?
Like 10 minutes. I'm on here.
Alright. ¿Qué? Nomás si trae la coronavirus la dejas en la casa porque aquí no nos queremos enfermar.
Yeah.
¿Qué te crees? Está bueno, pull up. Está bueno, wey.
Yeah.
Damn, that guy's on his way.
Hey, man, we're finna get Chris on the vlog. What's up, man?
Vamos a verte, Chris.
Hey, where's he at, man?
¿No te miras?
Come on, Squirrel. Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Nickname.
Hey, look, youngster Lambo. Hey.
Just happened, alright?
What just happened is that the winner's from Houston. He's on the way to pick it up. Well, I didn't bring another truck to go home because I didn't think it was gonna be somebody from here. So he's gonna take the truck, and I guess I'm gonna take a ride in the Lambo.
He's gonna take an Uber. He's gonna take an Uber.
Nah, someone's gonna take me. The Ubers ain't no
The
Uber.
Lambo is the Uber. On your trip.
Lambo, yeah.
My boy Kevin taking no BS home.
Damn, I can't believe it.
What happened? What's up, Pastor Kevin?
I didn't even bring the title. What? The title's at the house. I didn't know this.
That means Mr. Kevin won a truck, but without a title.
But I'm gonna give you a title, Kevin.
You don't get a title, bro. Don't even
I'm gonna give you
trip.
a title. One more time. God damn, shit is loud. Viene el giveaway winner. Should be here soon. Omar, right here representing Tires R Us. They once hooked us up with the tires for the OBS. Okay, the kids hooked us up with the front end and the lights and everything else, and then exclusive motorsports, paint, and everything else. So, nice stuff, guys. Alright, guys, este vato tiene YouTube channel. What is this?
I'm trying to grow it.
A ver, ese es su
Look,
YouTube.
I thought it was two-way. Freddie, I recorded you in the first video.
No, pero a ver, para que salga, güey, allí tu SLW50. Ya, start this.
Alright, alright.
Sí, güey. What'd you tell him? I should have scared him. That's the guy. That's the guy. Yeah. That's him. Yeah. ¿Qué tenés esa troca?
Yes.
Te lo voy a cambiar por ese carro.
¿Ya está?
Damn, badass. Pero mira, te voy con un burnout, vato. Pues te ganas un pinche troca, no mames.
Habla tú, go.
No, hell no.
Go.
No, es tu carro, güey.
Bandera, I don't care, go. Bro. Do the burnout.
Súbete conmigo.
Dale.
We're gonna go down. Burnout because he won the truck. So he said, go ahead and do a little burnout. I mean, some tires. Pero he don't want to trade. He said he's just gonna take the truck. You know, ¿sabes? I don't know why I want to cry. Míralo cómo está nervioso, güey. No mames.
Ponte de rodilla.
A ver. What so you took the first truck that I ever gave away? No mames. It's a badass one. Come on so you can see it. Look at the interior. So
I legit saw that video like 2 days ago.
So, está todo con madre, güey, la pinche troquilla. Holy shit, este güey se la ganó. Damn, y son de aquí, chingado. Es verdad, güey. También tengo los badges, güey, nomás que no se los puse. I don't know if you want to put them on. I'll give them to you. También el title transfer, pues me va a ayudar aquí el camarada.
Okay.
So, pero, what's up? How you feel, güey?
I can't wrap my head around it, bro. Like, that shit's crazy.
That's crazy, güey, no mames.
Estaba en Cavender's ahorita.
Yeah.
Yeah, because iba a hacer unas cosas con mi amigo.
Were you watching the live or no?
Yeah, pero like 5 minutes into it, me salí porque estaba trying on some pants.
Yeah.
And my homeboy calls me and he's like, hey, you won the truck? I'm like, stop bullshitting. He's like, you won the truck. The one I came with, con los que te digo. And luego I checked your live because you know how you kept it on Instagram? Yeah, and I'm like, damn, that's fucking crazy.
Ahí está, güey. Ahí está.
Did you think you were ever gonna win?
Nah, not really, out of anybody. Yeah, man.
No, y luego le digo que Triple P, he said he's gonna sponsor, like he had told me before that he was gonna sponsor whoever wanted with the fresh transmission. So he's gonna take it over there with Monday.
Yeah, I'll go Monday.
Monday pa' que te la haga. Ahí está, güey. Pero está con madre la troca, güey.
¡Ese aplauso que se oiga!
A ver, Navarro, put your head out like that.
Qué bueno que te...
Mira.
What you gonna tell your parents? They ain't gonna believe me, they gonna think this is
I didn't really tell them, like, it's gonna be probably somebody from out of town, California or somewhere over there. Y que va a salir de aquí, este vato me dijo, you need to bring on a truck, somebody's gonna take it home, you're gonna have to walk home. Y le dije, nah, no va a hacer nada de aquí. I'm like, I'll just drive it home. Y ya la parqueo con madre, pero ya valió madre. Pero como quiera, ahí me llevo el pinche Camaro. Ni pedo. Sí quemó, sí quemó. Ya se van a OBS, guys. El winner, chicken dinner. Damn, that's a badass truck. Ahí está, güey. Ahora, güey. Damn, mi troca se va. Damn. Damn. Ay, troca.
No llores,
That sucks, yeah. I had to buy another one.
She's going to a good home though.
I want to break down, let the transmission on bomb me.